Welcome to Malleable Castings. Since 1963, Malleable Castings has been a trusted supplier of high-quality ductile iron castings to various industries across Southern Africa. Whether producing long-run, high-volume or shorter low-volume orders, customers are guaranteed the highest quality castings backed by excellent customer service. The process of casting starts in the drawing office of our parent company, Westrand Engineering in Krugersdorp. Here, pattern designers work closely with customers to optimize casting designs for manufacture. Once the design has been finalized, it is transferred to the tool room, where state-of-the-art CNC VMC machines are used to mill the patterns, which will be used to form the molds. The finished patterns are then brought back to our foundry, where a fully automated molding process begins. This process starts with the melting of steel scrap, pig iron and returns. Melting is done in two energy-efficient medium-frequency furnaces. During the melting process, additions are made to reach the desired base metallurgy. Once the metal has reached the optimum temperature, samples are drawn and sent to the metallurgical lab, where skilled metallurgists use specialized machinery to test the properties of the metal and determine what elements need to be added to achieve the perfect chemical makeup. These elements are added and the metal is now ready for pouring. All processes within the foundry meet the SABS 936 standards for producing spheroidal graphite iron castings. Back on the production floor, fully automatic hydraulically operated horizontal machines are being used to make green sand molds. Even the green sand is tested in the laboratory to ensure good quality molds. Should cores be required for casting, shell sand cores are made and inserted into the molds. This is done in-house using state-of-the-art automated core-making machines. Furnaces pour the molten metal into ladles, which are then transported along overhead rails to the molds for pouring. The molds are now filled and left to cool on the line to ensure the perfect cooling rate. Once the castings have cooled sufficiently, they are transferred onto conveyors, which break the molds and move them along the line to knock off. This is where we are able to get a first look at the finished casting and inspect it for imperfections. If all is in order, the casting moves on to finishing. Excess metal from the casting process is ground off before shot blasting machines refine the surface of the castings and ensure that they are free of sand, rust, and any other irregularities. The finished casting now goes through the last quality control process before being packed onto pallets, ready for delivery to another happy customer. The processes we follow have been perfected over the last 50 years. It's the knowledge that we've gained over this time that allows us to produce a final product that will not only stand the test of time, but surpass expectation.